product methodology is a way to approach getting to the end state, but by not knowing what that end state is.
I think there are two separate sort of chains of thought in the marketplace about project and product methodology. It is very similar to that of waterfall versus agile.
In the project methodology, there is a finite amount of time. You determine exactly what you are going to build, when you're going to build it, and for how much, and then you release it into the hands of the users. At that point, it's done. In the product methodology, we look to realize value as quickly as possible.
So it's something that's really focusing on the needs of your end users, and we're asking for their feedback, so we're releasing sooner. We're not waiting until the end of the project date. We're saying, let's get this out, it's ready, let's see what the users think about it, and then we'll take that feedback and we can continue evolving it throughout time.